we're big believers in what CareerTech does. CareerTech does a great job. They'll not only teach the basics, we're also able to go back to CareerTech and say, it'd be great if we also work this into the curriculum, and they've been fantastic to do that with us.
Prior to working here at the CareerTech system, I actually worked with a company that's doing the apprenticeship program with us that we partnered with, Security Solutions. So it's kind of cool to see my old boss and me kind of connecting and making something worthwhile for these students to build that industry knowledge and build that common knowledge that we get and putting those together.
The way I got introduced to machining was they did the sophomore tours, and I was kind of talking to some of the students that were running the program there, and it really appealed to me. I didn't know machining was even the thing, but it pretty much ticked all the boxes of what I wanted to do for a career, and I've been here ever since being a machinist. Every day I'm at CareerTech from about 8:15 in the morning to about 11:15 in the morning as well. So I'm there about 3 hours a day, about 15 hours a week. I'm actually working full-time between the hours that I have at CareerTech and the hours that I work here.
The Department of Labor, for your certification as a precision machinist, has 40 points, I think, that you have to be able to show proficiency in. And so that's where they start. They start with measuring, reading diagrams, and then actually getting on the machines and turning parts.
So I had done a bit of pre-engineering in my days in high school, and I really liked, building things, and I thought, maybe rather than being on the design side of things, I could be on the production side of things. I, started, going to Canadian Valley, and, precision machining just really stood out to me, and stuck with it ever since. Pretty much everything that we learn at Canadian Valley translates pretty well here. We learn, machine theory and how tools interact with metal, and that really is what we're going off of at the end of the day. The fundamentals that we learn back at the shop. I'd say that my time here at Security Solutions has definitely opened my eyes to the real world chain of logistics, just how it goes from getting material in to getting it punched and ready for machining. So the day that it, is signed off and it's ready to go to the customer.
Now that we're incorporating these apprenticeships, we have businesses that are coming in, and we're giving that business the opportunity to send somebody in here for some specialized training and sending them right back to work. So they're coming here, and we're working with the field, combining those two forces together to make the people out in the workforce a whole lot better and stronger.